Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my esteemed students again, and welcome to this lesson. Lesson number 10. The title of this lesson is Statistics. What is the meaning of statistics? Statistics means numbers, figures, and data related to figures. Let's go into our lesson directly and do practice number A. Look at the list of Libyan football players from the January 2008 squad and their ages. Then after that, complete the bar chart below, recording the age of the players. I will repeat the questions again. The question: look at the list of Libyan football players from the January 2008 squad and their ages. If we look on the right, we can see this list of the footballers of Libyan team. Then we have to complete, after looking at this chart or this list, we can complete the bar chart below by recording the ages of their players. Let's read the names of the players, their positions and age. The first one, Miftah Ghazala, position GK, goalkeeper. His age is 31. Usama As-Sanusi, and he is 27 years old. Samir Aboud, he is 36 years old. All of them are goalkeepers. Muhammad Al-Mughrabi, he is 23 years old. Muhammad Al-Isnani, he is 24 years old. Umar Dawood, he is 25 years old. Usama Hamadi, he is 33 years. Walid Sabai, he is 24 years old. And Yunus Shibani, he is 27 years old. And all of them are defenders. Ali Rahuma is 26. Nader Tarhani is 29. Khalid Hussein is 31. Tariq Al-Tayyib is also 31. Walid Mahadab is 23. Ahmad Saad is 28. Ahmad Zuwai is 26. Usama Al-Fazani is 30. Riyad Il-Lafi is 28. And Salim Rewani is 31. After reading the list of these players and their ages, we can look at the chart on the left. Here we have age and number of players, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now let's do the task which we are required to do. How many players are at the age of 23? So the youngest player is 23 years old. There is no one who is 22. 23, there are 2 players who are at the age of 23. 24. Also, we have 2 players who are at the age of 24. 25, we have just 1 player who is at the age of 25, whereas there are 2 players at the age of 26 Also, we have 2 players at the age of 27 and 2 players at the age of 28. Whereas there is one player who is 29 and another player who is 30. Whereas the highest number or the largest number is 31 because we have 4 players who are at the age of 31. But if we want to move to 32, we have none. We have no players at all who are at the age of 32. If we go on at the age of 33, we have just one player at the age of 33 who is Usama Hamadi. 34, we don't have any player. And finally we have the oldest player who is Samir Aboud, who is at the age of 36 and his position is goal. He is a goalkeeper. After reading and noting the positions and ages of these players, let's do practice number B. Work in pairs. Look again at the list of football players. Are they ranked in any particular order? Are they ranked in any particular order? Discuss how else you could rank them. To rank something, to order it, to put it in special order according to some criteria. So the answer here is no. They are not ranked. They are grouped according to position. Not ranked, they are grouped according to the position. Number of times they have played. Yes, here we are discussing how else you could or we could rank them. Sometimes we can rank them according to number of times they have played for their countries. Some of footballer, let's say, play more than others. So we can rank them according to the number of times they have played for their country, for their club, let's say. Also, we can rank them according to goals scored this season, because some footballers score more than others. So here we can rank them according to goals which are scored this season. Sometimes we can rank them according to alphabetically names, alphabetically from A to Z. And in other occasion we can rank them by club and so on. So here there are many ways to rank them. Number of times they have played for the country, goals which are scored this season, alphabetically, by club, and so on. Let's move to exercise number C. In this exercise we have two columns. The first one is on the left, which has some words, and on the right we have sentences. And these sentences are the definitions of the words which are on the left. Match the statistical terms from 1 to 6 to the definitions from A to F. We have on the right some definitions, and on the left we have some terms or statistical terms. Number 1, mean. Number 2, mode. 3, median. 4, range. 5, maximum. 6, minimum. Now on the right we have the number in a set of given numbers which appears most frequently. Number B, the lowest number in a set of numbers. Number C, the middle number in a set of numbers when ranked in order. Number D, the difference between the highest and the lowest values. Number E, the total score. The total score divided by the number of items of data. And finally, number F, the highest number in a set of numbers. Yes, let's begin from the first one, mean. What is the meaning of mean? Mean is the total score. The total score divided by the number of items of data. Mean is the total score divided by the number of items of data. Number 2, mode. What is the meaning of mode? Mode is the number in a set of given numbers which appears most frequently. Most frequently. So I will repeat it. Mode is the number in a set of given numbers which appears most frequently. Number 3, median. What is the meaning of median? It's the middle number in a set of numbers when ranked in order. It's the middle number in a set of numbers when ranked in order. Range. Number 4, range. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest values. We have two values, the highest one and the lowest value. So the difference between the highest and the lowest values is called range. Maximum. Maximum is the highest number in a set of numbers. And the opposite of maximum is minimum, which is the lowest number in a set of numbers. After reading, we can see the answers. You can look at these answers, my students, carefully and write them down on your books. Yes, now let's move to practice number D. Depending on the previous exercise, I mean exercise number C, and depending on the statistical terms and their definitions, we can do exercise number D. Exercise number D says, look at the bar chart in exercise number A. Answer these questions. Number 1. What is the minimum age of the group? What is the minimum age of the group? Here the meaning is, what is the lowest number in a set of numbers? Yes, if we look at the numbers or the set of numbers, we can see the minimum age of the group is 23. 23. Number 2, what is the maximum age? What is the maximum age of the group? The maximum age is the highest number in the previous group or list, and the highest number is 36. So the maximum age is 36. Number 3, what is the range? According to the definition of range is the difference between the highest and the lowest values. And here the highest value is 36, whereas the lowest value is 23. So the difference between 36 and 23 is 13, because 36 minus 23 equals 13. What is the range? The range is 13. Number 4, what is the model age? What is the model age? The model age is the number in a set of given numbers which appears most frequently, which is common more than other numbers or values. If we look at the list, we can see the age of 31 is the model age because it's the common age. It appears most frequently. So what is the model age? The model age is 31. Why? Because according to the mode or the model age, mode is the number, which in a set of given numbers which is common, which appears most frequently. Number 5, what is the median age? The median age. The median age is the middle number in a set of numbers when we ranked them in order. So here the median age is 28 because it preceded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, and it's followed by 6 also. So the median age is 28. And the final question is number 6. What is the mean? What is the mean? According to its definition, mean is the total score divided by the number of items of data. So here we have to make something, which is we have to add all the ages, and after that the total value we have to divide it by the number of players. So here we have to add 31 plus 27 plus 36 plus 23 plus 24, etc. And the total must be divided on the number, which is 19 players, and the conclusion is 28. What is the mean? The mean is 28, and here the mean is the average. After doing this exercise number D, I can conclude my lesson. I hope you can get the benefit of this lesson. See you in the next class. Don't waste your time, please. And finally, I want to say to all of you, goodbye and have good time.